What is wrapped Bitcoin, or wBTC? It lets Bitcoin live on the Ethereum network. wBTC is an ERC20 token that represents Bitcoin. Each wBTC is backed 1-to-1 with real BTC. That means one wBTC equals one Bitcoin held in custody. wBTC enables quicker transfers on Ethereum. It unlocks Bitcoin for lending, borrowing, and trading in DeFi. wBTC launched in January 2019. Built by BitGo with Kyber network and Ren Bitcoin holders couldn't easily access Ethereum DeFi. wBTC transfers Bitcoin value into Ethereum, opening DeFi opportunities. Custodian, BitGo holds the actual Bitcoin in custody. They secure BTC and issue proof of assets. Merchant, mints and burns wBTC for users. Merchants handle conversion requests and notify the custodian. Users hold wBTC and use it like any ERC20 token. They can trade, lend, or provide liquidity. wBTC DAO governs contract changes and membership. Changes need multi-sig consensus from DAO members. How to convert BTC to wBTC, step by step. First, visit a listed merchant platform. Complete KYC verification. Send your BTC to the merchant's Bitcoin wallet. The merchant notifies BitGo to mint wBTC. After 6 BTC confirmations, minting begins. BitGo issues equivalent wBTC to your Ethereum wallet. To convert wBTC back to BTC, follow these steps. User initiates a redemption request with a merchant. The merchant creates a burn transaction on Ethereum. After 25 Ethereum confirmations, custody release begins. BitGo releases equal BTC to the merchant's Bitcoin address. After KYC, the merchant sends BTC to your wallet. Tracking wBTC is transparent and auditable. See every mint and burn on the wBTC order book dashboard. Use the Proof of Assets dashboard to verify BTC held in custody. There are important risks to consider. Centralization. BitGo is the primary custodian, a central point of failure. Users must trust the custodian to hold BTC and honor redemptions. BitGo is reputable and uses advanced security protocols. Additionally, BitGo holds digital asset insurance up to $100 million. wBTC =Bitcoin as an ERC20 token. Use it to access DeFi apps. Know the centralization risk. Explore wBTC dashboards to learn more.